sweet. He's so funny, can't be beat. Got everything the one desires. Sets the summer sun on fire. Oh, I want candy. Da, da, da. I want candy. Oh, singing makes me hungry. Sue!
What is it now? Want candy?
Duh.
Yeah, right.
Now you're talking.
Hey guys, today I'll show you…
Candy!
Again? I gave you one 5 minutes ago. That's too much.
That was a really long 5 minutes.
What about your candy machine? Guys, if you remember Lego Candy Machine, give a thumbs up.
It's all gone. I had to share with the cat.
You know what? Let's make a slime clock for you, so you always know for sure when it's time to have a sweet treat.
Only if it's set on my time, not your parallel universe time.
Yeah.
12 times a day.
You wish.
I really do.
To make a slime clock, we'll need a plain wall clock, cupcake stickers, double-sided tape, and Sam's picture from the Tibidabo Mountain.
Guys, do you want to know about my adventures on my way to the Tibidabo? Give a thumbs up and write in the comments, Tibidabo Journey. Tell your friends, and when we reach 1 million subscribers, you'll see that amazing story for yourself.
First, let's take this clock apart. I need to get this outer glass off. Let's flip it over like this and unscrew these little guys. I shouldn't have any problems. Wow, that was easy enough. Great.
My back hurts.
You don't have a back, faker.
Well, what hurts then?
I don't know. We'll go.
Whatever it is, I'm sure a little treat will ease the pain.
Here you go.
Ow! Can you even eat it?
Okay, the glass is off. So now let's take the clock hands off too. 1, 2, and 3. There, the base is ready. Now I'll make a hole in Sam.
Don't you dare!
Not you, your picture. Here, I'll make the cuts right in the middle. Great. And now I'll put a few pieces of Scotch tape on the picture. The more the better, just to be safe. There and here. Looks good. Now we'll just take off the backs. And place the picture in the middle of our clock. Wow, I like it already. Sam, are you okay?
My back!
Let me finish and I'll give you a massage.
Okay, but I need a painkiller! Painkiller!
Boy, you are one big pretender.
In orange. I'll give it a try.
Okay, now let's put it all back together. One hand, and then the other, and the second hand last. So far, so good. Sammy?
Boring!
Wait, I have some stickers you'll like. I'll stick them on each hour when you can have a treat. See? One here, and one here.
Not enough. More!
Okay. Let's put a few more. And here. And the last one.
Still not enough.
How about spontaneous snacks?
Ooh, I like that.
Now, put the glass back on, and just like this, it's ready! Guys, how often do you think slimes can eat cupcakes? Leave a comment below.
The pain is getting worse. I think it's stress, and I can't find any of the anti-stress toys. And someone promised me a massage.
Come here.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, they're clean.
Okay, I believe you. Oh yeah, that's good. Go left. I said left!
There's no more left.
Then go right.
Ugh.
Oh, yeah. That's so much better. No stress.
So guys, did you like the slime clock? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more slime things. We're done today. Bye-bye!
Hey! It's time to eat some candy!
Here, you deserve it.